Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is for those that just purchased their awesome 2021 Honda Civic Touring Sedan. I'm going to show you how to customize your vehicle settings. So when you leave the lot, everything's set the way you want. All you have to do is show up the car, all right? Now, if you guys found this video helpful, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share with a friend or family that has just purchased their Honda Civic. Any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you, all right? All right, let's go show you how to set up your new car. All right, so right now we're sitting inside the 2021 Honda Civic Sedan Touring model, and we're going to go over the vehicle settings, all right? So we got the car on, we're at the home menu. You're going to select Settings, then Vehicle, and we're going to start from the top and work our way down, all right? So the first thing is going to pop up, it's going to be a tire pressure monitoring system calibration. So if you ever get a low tire pressure light over here on your driver's interface, it's pretty much telling you to get out there, double check your tire pressure, and make sure everything's where it needs to be at. So if it is, you get everything adjusted, you can recalibrate or reset that. So all you have to do is select this button here and hit calibrate, then it just resets it from that point. Next thing on our item right here is going to be driver's assist system setup. That's going to be for all of your Honda sensing features from there. We can customize that to your particular wants. First option is going to be your forward collision warning distance. As you select that, you can choose between short, normal, or long. I would encourage you to double check your owner's manual to know the exact distance from that point, all right? I'm gonna keep it on normal just because that's how it comes from the manufacturer. Next thing is gonna be the adaptive cruise control, ACC forward vehicle detection beep. So that's with your adaptive cruise control. So as you guys probably already know, your adaptive cruise control is right here. You can set the distance between you and the car in front of you, right? And then just like this button shows, a little white car, it'll give you a little visual once it finds a car in front of you. So once it finds a car, like you're slowing down from 45 to 38, because the car is going 38, do you want it to beep at you, or you just want the visual? I like the beep, so I kind of know what's going on. So I'm going to turn that on. Once again, there's no wrong or right answer for this. It's really kind of customized to your guys' particular wants, all right? So I'm going to hit yes. Next option here is going to be for your lane keeping assist, suspense beep. So pretty much when you go out of your lane, you want it to beep at you. I'm going to say yes. Oops, I hit no. Let's hit yes. Turn that on, so next time I take someone out for a test ride, they can experience that. Now this is your road departure mitigations. So pretty much this is how the sensitivity for your lane keep assist, all right? So with your lane keep assist, it's going to be this button here. So between 45 and 90 miles an hour, right? And you'll find lines on the road. Those hollowed out dotted lines will be filled in white dotted lines to give you a visual confirmation that that system is working. So I like to keep it on normal. You can change it to be a little more wide, or you can do it as warning only. So when you go out of your lane a little bit, it won't bring you back if you put it to warning, okay? We're gonna keep it on the default because I want it to bring me back. So you can hit the back button. Now that's everything under the driver's assist system setup. Next thing, we're gonna have meters set up from that point. The top one, you got your adjusted outside temp display. So, you know, you can swing it, fine tune it, 5 degrees, take or give, either way. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'll let you guys decide how do you wanna mess with that if you want to. Next one is going to be your trip A and trip B. So maybe you guys are big on this, maybe not. For me, hey, I like to kind of know how many miles I got on from my last current tank every time I refueled. So I'm just gonna hit when I refuel. Then, you know, trip B is going to be the same exact thing, all right? You can adjust your alarm volume. You got a couple options there. I'm going to leave it from that point. You have your fuel efficiency backlight. With a fuel efficiency backlight, that's going to be this white light up here on the top, all right? That changes colors, so when you are being fuel efficient, it goes from white to green. Then when you're not, it goes from green to white. So I'm going to keep that on. So I like that visual effect. Now as you scroll down here, you got your turn-by-turn auto display for your navigation. When you have it up there on top, we'll keep that right on. You got your new message notification. So as you get a message, hey, it'll kind of give you a notification. We'll keep that on too as well. I like to be kind of alert. Speed and distance is your next option here. So, you know, if you need to change it from miles per hour, you can. For those viewers outside of the American market. Last thing under this option is going to be your tachometer. As you can see it right up there, it's going to be there at all given time as I kind of change my interface right up here. But for some reason you want to clean it up, you don't want that up there, you can turn that off. You just simply hit the off button, hit yes, and there we go. It's gone. For me, I like the look, so I'm going to turn it right back on. And of course, you know, the next customer can see it. All right, so that's everything under meter setup. We're going to go to keyless access setup next. All right. So we're going to start from the top and work our way down. You got the remote start system, on or off. So pretty much with the remote start, this is us pretty much enabling or deactivating the remote start feature. Okay, I'm going to keep it on. So to use remote start, you have to do is hit lock, then hold this button down here for a few seconds, and your car is going to turn right on. It's going to heat and cool the car to 72 degrees, runs in 10 intervals. The doors will remain locked. All right. I like to have that available here during, you know, Iowa winters. So we'll keep it on. Now we're going to have your smart entry system, okay? So when you have the key fob in your purse, your jacket, your pocket, whatever the case is, you name it, you walk up, put your hand in the handle, right? Do you want all doors to unlock, or you only want the driver's side door to unlock? So this may be different for you, depends if it's a daily commuter, it's just you getting out of the car, it makes sense just for you. Maybe you got the whole family with you, or just a whole bunch of friends all the time, you want all doors to unlock, you're set from that point too, okay? I like the idea of safety, and it's just me, so I'm going to keep it on driver's side only. If I have anyone tag along with me, I'm just going to hit the unlock right here. Or maybe I just hit the unlock on the key fob as we walk towards the car, okay? Now, as you put your hand in the handle, there's going to be a delay, all right? So do you want the little light to flash to let you know, hey, it's been a second, go ahead and open up the door. I'm going to say yes, so someone's not just yanking on that handle, you know? Same thing with the keyless access beep. Just give you a little audible noise. Yep, door's unlocked. Go ahead and open it up, so we'll keep that on. That's everything from that point. We're going to go right down here to light. So you get your lighting set up. We'll start from the top. You get interior light dimming time. So let's say you just got home, right? After taking your car home, it's late at night, whatever the case is. When do you want your lights to turn off? What time frame? All right, you just shut the car. Hey, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 15. You guys can see all that from that point. I say 30 seconds is plenty for me. So you can select 30 again, or you can hit the back button. You got your headlight auto off timer. So we just got home, it's late at night, going to work, it's late at night. Maybe, you know, I park in the garage. So 15 seconds is good for me. Maybe I work late at night and I need to walk all the way across the parking lot. Maybe I want 30 seconds, getting a little more light so I can see what's going on. So you guys can customize that to whatever you see fit, okay? So I'm just gonna hit the back button from there. You got your auto light sensitivity. So this is when you have your headlights on auto. So it pretty much between your day and nighttime transparency levels, when will your headlights automatically come on? We'll keep it at the default at mid. You got your auto interior light illumination sensitivity from that point. Once again, you got some good other options. We'll keep it at mid. Auto headlights on with wipers. So let's say you have your auto headlights on and you got your wipers on all of a sudden, right? Headlights will come on right on for you. Why not? All right, so that's everything underneath the lighting setup from that point. Then we're going to select door and window setup. Now we're going to start from the top here. You got your auto door lock, very first one. So you just got in the car, about to go show it off, right? Driving off the dealership lot here. When do you want your doors locked? You want it with speed, or as soon as you shift from park to reverse or drive, or have that off and you actually just hit the button on the door and have it locked from that point? I like the with speed. Maybe you got some kids, you want to do, as soon as you shift from park, you can do that. Next option is going to be auto door unlock. So we just got there, where we're going, running errands, you name it. When do you want the doors unlocked? All right. So I like the first one. I can shut the car, I can put it in park, doors remain locked, or I can mind my own surroundings before I get out of the car. Only unlocks when I open up the driver's side door. Or maybe I want it to unlock as soon as I shift to park, so I'm making a lot of multiple stops, you know, with the family and stuff like that, okay? Or just when you shut off the car. Or you can have it off. All right, we have key and remote. Now this is very important to keep in mind, guys. This is when you're using the key fob, right? So if you hit unlock on the key fob, the first time, which of these options would you like? Because if you hit it twice automatically, 1, 2, then all doors will unlock. So with that in mind, I'm going to keep it on driver's side only, but maybe you want all doors no matter what to unlock. So next option is your keyless lock answer back. When I hit the lock button, I want the car to be back out to me. If you don't, you can turn that off. We'll save that. Last one right down here is the security relock timer. All right, so if I hit unlock on the key fob, I have X amount of time to open up any of these 4 doors. If I don't, in that X amount of time, the doors will relock, okay? So common thing, I see people change that, maybe keep it 30 or maybe to 60 seconds. Yeah, comes down to whatever, because most likely you're gonna see that car, you'll be walking towards the car when you hit that button, all right? All right, right down here, we have your walk away auto lock. So every time you walk away with the key fob, right? No key fob in the car, you have it with you, walk away about 10 feet away from the car, guess what? Boom, it locks all the doors for you, okay? So that's pretty awesome, I like that, so I don't have to second guess myself. Only negative thing I can think about this, when I was growing up, Mom and Dad would say, Chris, shut the door, we're not cooling off the outside, right? So if I go home, got some supplies, multiple trips, so I can't take it all in one bunch, I go in with my key fob, my jacket's in the key fob, I set my jacket down because I'm in the garage, you know, and I had to go back and get the second stuff, right? Well, I don't have the key fob with me, the doors are shut, guess what? I had to go back and get that key fob. So maybe to change the habit a little bit about that, that's the only negative I can think. I'm gonna turn that on. I think that pain is worth it. So when I'm running errands, I don't have to second guess, and when I go inside, I know this car's locked. All right, so that's everything from that point for door and window setup. We're gonna scroll down right down here to maintenance. All right, so you know, maintenance is gonna tell you about your maintenance stuff, oil, you need to get that changed, other services, stuff like that from there, all right? Hey guys, thank you again for watching my video. Hopefully this video was very helpful, answer all of your questions, and also set you guys up for success. Once again, any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys. Then you know what to do. You like this video, it was helpful, hit the like, hit the subscribe, share with a friend just in case, you know, they don't know how to set their car, right? Well, thanks again guys for watching. This is Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids.